In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address on Ryanair, so you can ensure all your flight details and communications are received without a hitch. Let's dive right in. Start by opening a web browser of your choice and navigate to the Ryanair website. This will be your gateway to accessing your Ryanair account and making any necessary changes. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner for the Login button. Click on this, and you'll be prompted to enter your existing email address and password. Be sure to double-check that your information is correct to avoid any login issues. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on your personal account dashboard. This is where you have access to all of your booking information and personal settings. Look for the My Profile or My Account section. This might be displayed slightly differently depending on recent updates to the website, but it's typically located in the main menu or under your account settings. Now that you've accessed your profile settings, you should see options related to your personal information. Look for the Email Address section. Click on the Edit button next to your current email address to make any changes. Enter your new email address carefully in the provided field. It's important to make sure there are no typos here, as this will be the primary contact point for any future Ryanair communications. After updating your email, you may be required to re-enter your password to confirm this change, which is a common security measure to ensure that your account remains protected. Once you've re-entered your password and confirmed the change, you should see a message indicating that your email update was successful. As a pro tip, it's always a good idea to check your inbox for a confirmation email from Ryanair. If you don't see it immediately, make sure to check your spam or junk folder. This step will not only confirm that the changes have been correctly applied but also help you verify that your new email is receiving messages as expected. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your email address on Ryanair. This change ensures that all your future flight confirmations and updates will be sent to the correct email, keeping you informed and ready for your travels. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more practical how-to videos. Safe travels!